In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace the logo in a Framer website. Whether you're setting up a new project or simply updating your brand identity, changing the logo to reflect your vision is a crucial step. Framer is intuitive and user-friendly, which makes this process straightforward even for beginners. So let's dive right in and get that logo updated. To begin, the first step is to open your Framer editor. This is where all the magic happens, and it's important to start with a clear view of your workspace. Once you have your Framer editor open, enter your chosen template. This is essentially the backbone of your page, containing all the elements and components you will work with. Now that you're in, the primary task is to change the logo. The key thing to do here is to start by opening the layer panel. By doing this, you'll be able to see all the components clearly laid out. This is essential because it helps you navigate through the various elements with ease and precision. With the layer panel open, the next focus is on selecting the number component. This might initially seem like a usual step, but within this, you'll find our target, the logo component. Go ahead and navigate inside the number component to find the logo. Once you've located it, give it a double click to open it up. Doing this allows you to dive deeper into the specifics of the logo. Inside the logo component, you have the freedom to replace the current logo with one that better represents your brand. Simply select the existing logo and look for the field option. You'll find various options here, but for our task, pick the new logo. I'm opting for this one, and voila, the logo has transformed. At this stage, your logo change should be visible. It's always a good idea to check the original page to verify whether the logo has indeed updated as expected. Sometimes a quick glance can save a lot of troubleshooting later on. And here's a neat fact. Once you update it, you'll notice that the change also reflects automatically in the footer. This synchronization is seamless thanks to Framer's integrated framework. This method isn't just for the project at hand. It's a universal approach you can apply to change logos across any Framer template or Framer-based website. This ensures that no matter how many projects you have, updating your brand imagery remains hassle-free and consistent. And there you have it, simple, efficient, and effective. With these steps, you can update your logo in a few clicks. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you maintain a fresh and dynamic online presence. Happy framing!